welcome back to my channel. My name is Martha. If you're new here, make sure that you subscribe, follow me on Instagram if you would like. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to have the best Christian summer of your life. So if you want to know my tips, then keep on watching. I love summer. I think it is the best time of the year. I don't care what you guys say. I am team summer all the way. That rhymed and it was not even planned. These are going to be a lot of totally random tips. I'm not saying you have to do all of them this summer, but you could try to do a couple and see how it goes. Let's get started. Alright, so the first one is to have a Bible plan for summer. I think that is so awesome, utilizing that time that you're not doing homework, that you're not doing math, you're not, doing things for school, to still take that time to learn and to study scripture a little bit more in depthly than you can while you're in school, For example, when I was in high school, there was a summer that I dedicated to reading the entire New Testament, which I believe I've shared on my videos. I read through the entire Testament within the whole summer, all of the Gospels and all of the other books, and it was honestly really cool because that was a summer where I felt like I learned so much more about the Bible. And now you don't need to read the entire New Testament or the entire Old Testament or even the whole entire Bible, but I do suggest that you set yourself some goals. Maybe you can read the first few Gospels, or maybe you can read a book a month, Whatever it is, set yourself a Bible plan because it is so great to use this time off to really study scripture and immerse yourself in it. Okay, the next one that I want to share is to make new friends. I know a lot of time during summer you just want to hang out with the group of friends that you already have, which is totally fine and you totally should. But also, I really encourage you to make new friends during summer. Every summer during high school, I did this, and I remember each summer what new friends I made, and it was awesome because that just meant that every year I was getting more new friends, and that was really cool. And you can make new friends through different ways, and I'm going to talk about this later, but maybe it's through camp, or maybe you went to a special conference, or whatever it is. Make sure that you're making new friends because honestly, life is better with friends. I touched on this one a little bit before, but the next one is to do something ministry related, such as going on a missions trip, or going to your youth camp, or going to a training program. I remember different summers where I did different things, where one summer I did a missions trip to Guatemala, a couple summers I went to youth camp, and this last summer I actually got to do a internship at a really cool church. And I totally recommend doing something like this during your summer. Being able to serve others or learning how to serve others better is such a great use of your time during summer. Being young is all about this, about going out and exploring and serving other people, being used by God and being equipped. I cannot stress that enough. When you are young, take the time to be trained, take the time to be equipped, to be discipled, and go. I had no idea that there were so many different opportunities out there, but there really are. If you're into worship, there's worship training sessions. If you're into leadership, if you're into church ministry, if you're into literally whatever you are into in ministry, there is a conference, a camp, a program, an internship for you. You just have to look for them, and trust me, they can change your summer, they can change your life. Okay, so my next tip is to work on a project, something that you want to do. And this can be literally anything you want. Maybe it's you're interested in making a song, or maybe you want to make a piece of art. Maybe you want to finally design your YouTube channel. No matter what it is, have a project that you work on during summer, because I think it's so amazing that at the start of the summer, you know, you're like, okay, I want to do this, I want to make a song, and then you work on it all summer long, and by the end of summer you work so hard and were able to produce something that you can enjoy for a very long time. No matter what it is, again, it can be anything: writing a book, making a YouTube channel, sewing a blanket, whatever it is. Have a project that you work on during summer. Alright, my next one is a tip that I think all of us already do, but I'm still going to stress it more. Travel. Even if you don't like traveling, just try it. There is so many amazing places, no matter where you live in the world, that you can go and visit. I think when you travel, you get to experience new cultures, new people, new, you know, food, new music, new everything, and that's so fun and so great, and you make so many memories while you're traveling. No matter where you go, just go somewhere, because trust me, when you're an adult, it is not easy to travel. So you want to use your summer that you have off to go out there and just travel and explore. Finally, my last tip is to set goals. When I was in school, I really enjoyed taking summer to set goals, to align myself, to make a vision, a plan for me that I could stick to for the rest of the academic year. For example, I remember when I made the transition from 8th grade to freshman year in high school, I sat down during summer and wrote down what my goals were, what my career aspirations were, what I wanted to accomplish and achieve in high school. You know, I made sure that I said, this is a GPA I want, these are the classes that I want to take, these are the academies that I want to do, these are the clubs I want to try to participate in, this is what I want to get out of high school. And that's just one example. Every single year I always made sure that I had a goal, that I had something specific that I wanted to achieve in that academic year. So take this time to set your goals, to have a plan before you dive into a new school year. And if you are like me and you no longer are in school, then I still encourage you to, you know, make some goals. Summer marks the middle of the year, and so it's a great time to look back at what your goals were for the year and see how you're doing, how you can improve, and what you can do to make a change. So those were all of my goals for how to have the best Christian summer of your life. If you found these tips at all useful, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below what your tips are for having the best summer of your life ever. What do you like to do? Where do you want to go? Do these inspire you to do something? Let me know. I want to hear what you guys have to say. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for videos just like this every single Friday. You can also follow me on my social media to see the behind the scenes of my life if you want to. Thanks again so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again really soon next week. Bye guys!